Aquaba to my channel. My name is Benedicta, but you can call me Bernny for short. Yeah, so if you don't know, I'm a Ghanaian YouTuber based in Accra. So on the 31st of October was my birthday and I had mad fun. Okay, I had mad fun. Oh, I had so much fun with my friends. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading videos because I don't want to post irrelevant videos up here, so that's what I've not been doing, and I haven't been actually doing anything lately. That's why I haven't been posting here. Okay, but since my birthday came up, I'm trying to create 3 contents out of this, and so today I'm going to do the makeup I did on my birthday. Okay, I was in a rush though because I had a little time. If you don't know, let me say this, let me chip this in. If you don't know, I'm a makeup artist, but I don't really advertise myself because I have a daughter I need to take care of. I can't be leaving her and going to work, or I can be let's say I can't take her along because girl is going to worry you. Okay, so I can't just do that. So I'm not really like out there like, hey, I'm here, come for me, makeup artist, come. And so today I'm going to create the look I did on my birthday. And yeah, I'm not going to change anything because my eyebrows are grown and I need to trim them, but I couldn't because of the time. And I'm going to do exactly what I did on my birthday. I'm not going to change anything, so I'm not going to trim my brows. It's actually not going to be a tutorial makeup, so I'm not going to say anything. I'm just going to go ahead and do my thing. So if you are new here, I would like to say Aquaba means welcome. Aquaba to my channel. Here we have a lot of fun. We have lots and lots of fun. So please, just to be fair, just watch 5 of my videos if you like my content. But you have to though. You have to like my content. Yeah, so you have to like my content. So please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to always watch my video. I really appreciate. Thank you. God bless you. Wherever you get money to buy the data, God will double it for you. Okay, so yeah, let's get right into the video already. I think I'm talking too much, so let's get right into it. With the makeup, I'm going to cleanse my face with the tea tree wipes and the Garnier cleansing water. Okay, so I'm going to just take, I've already washed my hands, you know, I'm home, so I washed my hands before, so don't worry about that. So I'm going to wipe my face, my dry face. I'm just going to pour, and you can only use the tea tree wipes, but I prefer using both. So I'm cleaning my face. Always have to clean your face from all dirt before you start your makeup. Okay, all dirt, so you get a flawless makeup. I'm also going to moisturize my lips with the Vaseline Lip Therapy in Rosy Lips. Well, but it's pink. Yeah, I'm just going to wait for my face to dry and then start the makeup. Okay, so yeah, that's what we're going to do. guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you liked my makeup. I look so beautiful. Yes. Period. Hobby surprised me. Okay, he surprised me because I have been saying, oh, I don't know what is in stock for me. If you watch my previous video, you know what I'm talking about, so please do go and watch it. I'll put it up here, the link up here somewhere, so you can click on it and watch it. I had fun that night, and maybe probably I will do a video of asking hobby how he pulled it, because my hobby is not that type of person. Like, I think he puts in a lot of work. I must say congratulations to hobby. If you're watching this, I love you so much. Thank you for making my day, or thank you for making my, yeah, he made my day and made my night as well. Yeah, so thank you for making both, or the whole day, a wonderful day for me. Okay, I really appreciate. God bless you. Wherever you got the money from, Lord should double, triple, quadruple it for you. Okay, it means a lot to me because it's not always like that. Okay, so I'm so grateful he did that. I can't wait for you guys to see the video. Okay, the whole day, my birthday vlog. Okay, please forget the brushes. Some of the brushes, I use the wrong brushes because, guys, comment in the comment section. Let me know if you find it difficult in washing your makeup brushes after doing your makeup. Okay, I'm that kind of person. I feel lazy to wash my makeup brushes, but I do. But I feel lazy in the beginning. Use the right brushes, but if I'm to do a professional work on someone, definitely I'm going to use the correct, definitely I'm going to use the correct brushes. So don't mind it. Like I said, it's not a tutorial. I was just, recreating my look. So guys, if you like videos like this, let me know in the comment section as well, and give my video a big thumbs up. Like, let's get to 500 likes. Okay, if we get to 500 likes, I'm going to post my birthday vlog. If you don't get to 500 likes, I'm not going to post it. At least I have it on my phone, I can be watching it. I'm just kidding, but just please, let's get to 500 likes, and don't forget to subscribe as well, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Actually, I can't wait for you to see the birthday vlog, but I'll have to upload a video asking hobby how he pulled this out. So just watch out for these two videos. Okay, so see ya.